Hello viewers, many people have many questions regarding OnePlus Pad Lite tablet. If you watch this video till the end, a lot of questions will be answered in this video. Coming to the display department, OnePlus Pad Lite comes with 11 inches LCD display with 90 Hz of refresh rate. The quality of the screen is good enough. You can expect a very good multimedia consumption on this display. If you look closely at the display, there is no pixelation. Also, the viewing angles are good enough. The notification panel is a copy of Apple. This tablet comes with Widevine L1 certification. As you can see here, it is certified L1 tablet. If I go into the settings of this tablet and about section, you can see that Pad Lite comes with Helio 100 processor. You can expect an Antutu score of 4 lakhs plus. Currently it is running on Oxygen OS 15 on top of Android 15. You have RAM expansion up to 6 GB. If you enter into display and brightness section, you can see that there are two options, light mode and dark mode, and also there are screen color mode. If you click on screen color mode, the display is set at default, but you can adjust according to your preference from warm to cooler tone. By default, the tablet is on the cooler side. However, you can adjust the color scheme according to your preference. Then there is eye comfort and sleep. You can adjust the reading experience by clicking on the bedtime or eye comfort. It transforms the display into yellowish, and that will protect your eyes from blue light. You can also adjust the yellow tint on eye comfort by sliding the low to default or to high. This tablet runs on 90 Hz of refresh rate, but you can adjust from high to standard. Standard is 60 Hz and high is 90 Hz. 90 Hz refresh rate feels very snappy in this tablet. OnePlus Pad Lite has copied the animation and the control center from Apple. Let me give you the example. This is Apple iPad 10th generation, and you can see that control center is alike in OnePlus Pad Lite also. This is not actually a bad thing because iPad's control center is more convenient than any other Android tablet. I also compared the display of OnePlus Pad Lite iPad 10th generation, though this is not a correct comparison because there is a price gap between these two devices. I made this comparison only to give you an idea how good the display of OnePlus Pad Lite is. iPad 10th generation has a brighter display, but OnePlus Pad Lite is not a slouch here. Also, you can see that the brightness level is at par with iPad 10th generation. And you cannot notice if I don't tell you which device is iPad 10th generation and which tablet is OnePlus Pad Lite. 10th generation can play up to 4K 60 FPS with ease, but OnePlus Pad Lite can play up to 1080p 60 FPS maximum. If you try to play 2K videos on OnePlus Pad Lite, it will stutter. There are many customization options in OnePlus tablet. If you go into wallpaper and style section, you can get various types of wallpapers and various types of styles. As you can see here, these wallpapers and styles will give a new look to your tablet every day. You can change these wallpapers at regular intervals to have a fresh feeling while using this tablet. Apart from these themes, you can also set various types of wallpapers. You can change fonts, and also you can use various types of icons. This is the icon pack. You can change up to 3, and also you can download many other icon fab or font styles. Now I will give you an idea about the icon packs. There are various types of icon packs: classic, radiant, shadow, material, pebble, and you can set them and you will have a fresh feeling while using the tablet for longer period of time. I will set another icon pack so that you can understand by yourself how it looks like. After that, there are various types of colors. You can choose any crystal color, two-tone, alpine, trendy, classic, geek, neutral or custom colors, and it will change in the notification panel as you can see here. So there are lots of customization features in OnePlus Pad Lite. If you are someone who likes to edit, who likes to customize their tablet, in that case you will definitely like these features from OnePlus. Multitasking on OnePlus Pad Lite is also very good, though it has 6 GB of RAM, yet you can expect good amount of multitasking from this. The battery on OnePlus Pad Lite is very good. It has 9340 mAh battery. There are 4 types of battery mode: high performance, balance, power saving, super power saving mode. Even with the normal power mode, you can expect an SOT of 10 hours plus. Many users want to know how they can use multi-window or split window on OnePlus Pad Lite. In this way, you can use 2 apps simultaneously, but you cannot use more than 2 apps. Between these 2 apps, you can use full screen mode, floating window, expand feature, switch app. If you click on floating window, one app will remain at the background and the another app will be on the floating mode. Yet you can click on split view and then it will automatically be split into 2 apps. In the split screen mode, you can switch app. If you click on switch app, it will automatically replace the second app. As you can see here, if I click on this feature, it will switch the previous app. So in this way, you can use the split window on OnePlus Pad Lite. While using split window, you can swipe right or you can swipe left to increase or decrease the size of any other app, while the other app will be larger, one app will be smaller. There are some things that OnePlus Pad doesn't have. OnePlus Pad Lite has no pen support, so you cannot use it as a tab for note taking. Its competitor Redmi Pad 2 has pen support, though you have to buy the pen separately, but the option is there. But in this case, there is no such option. So if your purpose is only multimedia consumption, in that case you can definitely buy OnePlus Pad Lite. It has great screen quality and the sound quality is excellent as it has quad speakers. But from a student's perspective, note-taking option should be here. Now you have to decide whether you want to buy this tablet or not. I know that still many people will have many questions regarding this tablet, so feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. The only condition is you have to like the video and then ask your question. And if you have already bought this tablet, feel free to share your thoughts regarding this tablet. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.